Going to the road roller. You can ride it. You can ride the road roller. You can ride the road roller. Xian is riding the road roller. Nice. Wow. And after Top nang will ride the road roller with you. Top will ride a Smusky. Okay. There. You want to ride the road roller, Top? This one? It's the road roller right there. Nice. That's the excavator. Nice. Excavator. Look at the bulldozer. Putting rocks in it. Tough and Xian are putting rocks in the bulldozer. Nice. Nice. There's a dump truck too. All of Xian's favorites are here. The dump truck, the road roller, the excavator, bulldozer type of thingy, and the bulldozer. Are you climbing the bulldozer? Oh, the excavator. Can't open it. It's closed.
No, steps.
Watch out. Careful. Alright, let's go. We're done. Yay! Let's go. We'll see you later, excavator. See you later, bulldozer.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come on, Xian. Let's go. Alright. Oh,
I like this.
you want to go?
Yeah.
You step on that. There you go. Game.
This looks, guys.
Oh, you sit. Both of you can sit in there. You share seats.
Seats.
1, 2, 3, jump. Bitaw. Let go. Whoa. Oh, you want to sit, Tough? You can sit, Tough. You want to go down?
Yeah.
Whoa. Good job.